Okay, so here we go. We are going to start off with the home service SOP expert, and I am going to type out a prompt for creating SOP, because we all know that SOPs are not a lot of fun to create, but we really should have an SOP for pretty much everything that we do. So let's create an SOP here for service van inventory. And what you'll notice in here is that it creates a consistent title, and like all of this, each section is the same every time you create an SOP. So that way it's very consistent. You literally can copy and paste it into a Google Drive, or say you're using Microsoft Office, you can save it in your OneDrive. I would save it into one folder and then combine everything in that folder into one document. And then what you can do is actually take that document and upload it back into a custom GPT for a handbook that's a searchable handbook. So you see here, it's got troubleshooting. Each one of them comes with it'll troubleshoot section in each one of them. It's very consistent. And so let's see, let's do another one. Create an SOP for just random. Let's see how consistent this is. Okay, so you notice the title and identification area, that's all very similar to the first one. Each section is there. Execute the morning checklist, and then log into the system, and go through. Obviously, these can be adjusted as well. If I was building this out for my company, I would actually have my company name in it as well. There you go. And then, like I said, we had troubleshooting in each one of them, all that good jazz. Now, here is an example of our handbook. So like this is Service Emperor handbook. So this is for basically all the employees to ask it a question. So what are the paid holidays? And so it's only going to search the handbook. It does not search the internet. And then it gives you, it's really cool, this part here. So it'll give you your requirements and whatnot. So then, like, let's say smoking. So as vague as possible. Your question, what is the company smoking policy? And there you go. It goes into right there. So literally anything related to the company, you could ask it. And then ideally what you would do is take something like this and put it into Slack. So then you can use a Slack channel as the handbook guide channel, so they can ask any question inside that Slack channel and it'll answer their question for them. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful for you.